Hi there, it's Z here. Today I'm going to be walking through how I set up a simple augmented reality app I built in Unity with the help of a service called Vuforia. And what that app does, I'm demonstrating in this little demo video, is it converts playing cards into tarot cards. And this is not going to be a detailed step-by-step walkthrough. If you want that, I highly recommend that you try out this video by Playful Tech. So this guy has a half hour or a bit less than half hour long video that takes you through step by step how you need to do this, and a lot of the stuff that I did starts with some of the basics that I picked up from this guy, but what I'll be doing is more an sort of an overview of how I put it all together. So the way it works is you sign up for a Vuforia account, and Vuforia is a service that allows you to build augmented reality applications. And once you have a account, you can add images to the account, and these images are called targets. Essentially, what I did here is I picked up a couple of random images from the internet where I tried to look for images of playing cards, and you would not believe the difficulty in actually finding a stock standard image, because apparently there are slight differences between different decks, and it took quite a while to find one that sort of matched. And once you find the target images, you add them, and through the magic that the Vuforia engine uses, it picks up features from the image that you uploaded. So it could be pictures that you got off the internet, or it could be actual photos that you've uploaded, and you can see that the Vuforia system picks up features that identifies the image. And one thing to note though is that you want to try and make sure that you have good quality images. So it's got some guidance for you. It's got good contrast, rich in detail. So basically don't get some grainy low resolution stuff, because I tried that, and you can see it's like 0 stars because I had a pretty crappy image I just picked up from the internet randomly, and even some of the other ones that I got off Google Images weren't really that sharp, so didn't get the full 5-star rating, but still works. So what you do once you have that is you download the database, and you open it up in Unity Editor. I'm not going to do that, but once you do open it up, it imports itself into Unity, and you have an item called AR camera that's added into Unity that allows you to basically add images, where if I do this, I can add images, and these images, I'll just do that here, just demonstrate. You can pick targets that you added in that Vuforia database, and once you have that, so let's just pick one, cut back, and you can see this comes from the database that I uploaded here. I did not use this one in particular, so let me just delete that. But once you do have that, you can add stuff to it. So for example, this is the Three of Clubs, and let's see, where is the Three of Clubs here? Yes, this one. So let me just do this so you can actually see it. So this is the Three of Clubs, and once you add the target, you can add stuff as child objects to the Three of Clubs, and what will happen automatically is Unity knows that if the camera is turned on for the device that you're using, it will scan for the target image that you've provided through Vuforia, and it will overlay whatever you put as a child on top of it. So let me just do that so it goes back to point. Yeah, so just making that float on top. So you can use it for 2D images, but you could also use 3D images. This is a bit more of an elaborate model where I let me just do this. I struggle a bit. Okay, so this is a 3D model that I picked up for free from the Unity Asset Store. You can just add it in, and it just gets projected on top. So it's fairly simple. You can even put in videos. So I've put in a quad, which is basically a flat 3D shape, and I've inserted the video player component in Unity, and it plays a clip that's part of the asset. So this entire process of setting this up took me maybe an hour plus, 2+ hours, because I had to spend some time looking for good quality images of the cards and also a couple of these models and stitching it all together. But it's a fairly simple exercise to get through, and yeah, it's just really interesting because I initially thought it'd be a lot harder to do, and it's a lot simpler than I thought, because you've got services like Vuforia that do the difficult bit of actually helping you sort of capture the features that you want for image recognition for AR. So you could use these for things like business cards, posters, and the whole range of stuff. So if you search the internet, there are dozens of examples. So anyway, like I said, the detailed instructions, you're probably better off watching this video. I've also put in, I put on to GitHub the entire code that I've used. So if you like, you can also download the source code and run it yourself locally on your Unity. But yeah, it's I thought I'd share this. Right, bye now.